If you're into retro and vintage, Shibamata offers the best for you. This is your escape from the busy city life. Just a short train ride from central Tokyo, Shibamata is the perfect escape from the urban hustle. Whether you're looking for history, culture, or relaxation, this hidden gem offers a peaceful place with an authentic Japanese feel. If you notice this pine tree, this is actually a 500-year-old beauty that's shaped like a dragon. You'll also notice here the people are tossing coins. This is a traditional Japanese act of offering. In Japanese culture, it's believed that tossing a coin, clapping your hands twice, bowing, and making a wish connects you to God. Kaya let's make a wish for good fortune. Alright, so also in Japanese culture, inhaling incense smoke is believed to cleanse the mind and body, bringing good health and fortune. Kaya kung may marumi kang utak, baka buong incense burner ang kailangan mo. Yeah, right? If your mind is so dirty, you know what you need. And this is a wooden plaque. It's called ema. It is very popular to Japanese practice of expressing wishes. Sobrang daming paniniwala yung mga Japanese pero ang alam ko basta peaceful ang Japan. Alright, so this really feels like stepping back in time. Kung makikita nyo yung mga storefronts, every corner feels like a window to the Japan's past. Makikita mo rin yung mga food stalls na sobrang inviting. And this one, it's very popular Japanese street food. You know what's this? Let me know if you have this in your country. Shibamata is more than just a destination. It's an experience that takes you back in time. Alright, so that's a wrap on our day in Shibamata. Retro vibes, amazing food, and unforgettable moments. What more could you ask for? So if you enjoy this journey, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more adventure like this. Also, tag your friend that you would like to take here. See you next time!